packed and ready to go. Vegas, here I come. Was so struggling with all those bags. Then I had to pack the car, drive, pick up my boyfriend. Here I am waiting for him to come out because it was like 4th of July, so we weren't headed to Vegas just yet. We wanted to go and see a movie. So nice. And we ended up seeing The Quiet Place, and the movie was really good. And then on the way back to the hotel, we caught some fireworks. Our night went so great. We enjoyed the fireworks, the movie, and the pizza at the movie theater was trash, but that's okay. Now we're back at the hotel, just catching on some more fireworks scenery from our room. We thought we had 3 nights here for a trip to Vegas. We leave Sunday, but it didn't work out, so trying to get a last minute hotel. So we found a last minute hotel. We're at Target now, just grabbing some snacks, and then I didn't get a clip of us getting on the plane and everything, but we had a safe flight and we landed here in Vegas. Look at all the casinos. These are just the slot machines that are in the airport. Like, that's so crazy to me. But this is my second time coming and I love it here. Like, I have so much fun. And now we're on the little train to get us to our Uber so we can get to the hotel. Oh yeah, it's like 200 degrees. Like, it feels legit like I can't even breathe. We're here at the Wynn. 3227. Okay, so you walk in, and then to your left, you just have this big mirror. And then to the right, we have this huge bathroom. Look at the shower, a nice tub, 2 sinks, robes, 2 robes. And then the toilet has its own section. This is so beautiful. And then you come out, and then we have a door here for our closet, ironing board, hangers, stuff to put our clothes in. And then you walk down the hallway, and then to the left we have this, what is this, like a candy station. Then in here, I don't know what goes in here, but we have that. We have a little mini fridge stocked. This is obviously not free. And then on this side we have our bed, huge mirror. This is, I guess this is the remote. So yeah, so see guys, it's 115 degrees right now, but it feels like 200, trust me. So you have home, room control, lights, low. See, the lights just went down, all off. Bathroom night light. Temperature from here. So let's put this down because it's hot. There we go. Drapes, we can open and close them. Let's see, close. Here we go, look at that. Closing the drapes. Okay, and then we have a TV here, or more space. Then we have a little office space here, and a chair. And then this TV spins around, so if we want to change it to just be out here, and then our couch, and then the view, beautiful, loving it. TV, we have all these channels, and room dining, amenities, entertainment. So that's it for the room tour. I'm gonna show you guys more later, but I'm gonna get settled and I'll be back. Charlie's Sports Bar cheeseburger. How's the salad?
Like any old salad.
Hello, Vegas. We're going to the casino now. That's not the alarm I picked. I had an alarm that I set to wake up and trade in the morning, but oh my gosh, it just woke us up so crazy. There goes the music I picked. After that, we had to brunch, and we went to have brunch at the Terrace Cafe, and the orange juice is so good. It's freshly squeezed. How's your coffee?
Coffee's good.
What is it? Like 9 out of 10. A 1 out of 10?
1 out of 10 for the coffee. I give it a 6.5.
A 6.5 for the coffee. The orange juice is like freshly squeezed. Like they literally took oranges and squeezed it. So I give it a 10 out of 10. This is the croissant French toast. It looks so good. The pancakes look good. We gotta do a taste test. The scrambled eggs are perfect. Chicken apple sausage. Yeah, it's pretty good.
I think that's regular sausage.
Yeah, so they messed up my order and they gave me regular pork sausage. So waiting for the guy to come back to get that changed. Let's taste the French toast. Really good.
I guess 7.
7. They also forgot to add the strawberry syrup that goes with the croissant French toast. So far overall, I would say this place is like a 7 out of 10.
I think 7 out of 10 is a lot.
Okay. A 6.
6.5.
6.5. So as you can see, we rated the restaurant about a 6.5. Was okay. Really wouldn't go there again. Now we're just walking around exploring. Here's the downstairs area, so pretty. And then after that, we headed to the pool. And then the next night, we went out to dinner. I believe this was our last night at the hotel. And this restaurant was so beautiful. The food was so good. It was a Japanese restaurant. So I would highly recommend to try this out if you ever stay at the Wynn in Vegas, or if you're in Vegas. This restaurant was amazing. I wish I would have gotten more footage, but overall it was an amazing night. Highly recommend to go there for dinner. Then the next morning, this was our last few hours, so we ended up trying out the Wynn Buffet for brunch, and it was good. I would give it like a 7. After this, we played a little bit more slots and then got on the plane. I didn't get enough footage, but we had an amazing time.